Today's wine is Caia 2011 Torrontés from San Juan, Argentina. So Torrontés is really the signature white grape of Argentina, much like Malbec has quickly become the signature red grape of Argentina. And Torrontés is a really unique grape. It's what we would call an aromatic grape variety. So it's very different than something like Chardonnay, which has more clean aromas of apples and pears. With something like Torrontés, you usually get floral, exotic notes. So I'm hoping that we're going to see that in today's Caia Alta. Let's give it a smell. Yeah, a lot of nice tropical notes, some white flowers, and maybe a little bit of pepper coming in just on the top. Let's give it a taste and see how it all comes together. That's really nice, super acidic. Very clean, delicate. This isn't a big white. It's super refined, and it's going to go really nicely with more light foods, maybe some whitefish, cod, or halibut with some kind of lemon zest preparation. It's really tasty, and it's a great value, so I recommend picking up a case.